Most AI tools want your money every month. Most AI tools need the internet. Most AI tools still require our support. But what if one prompt could generate a complete motion graphic video in under 60 seconds, offline, with a one-time payment? That's what exactly I've been building. What if I told you that a single prompt could generate an entire motion graphic video in under a minute? No complicated timelines, no hours of animation, no expensive subscriptions, no internet connection. Today I'm introducing something I've been building called Aram Motion AI, a system designed to help creators, businesses, marketers, and designers create professional motion graphic video faster than ever before. And what makes it different is simple: one prompt, one payment, no monthly fees, no subscription, and it works completely offline. Let's talk about why this could change the way people create content forever. For years, motion graphic creation has been expensive and time consuming. Most creators spend hours designing scenes. Then they animate, then they render, then they revise. And after all that, they still have to pay monthly subscriptions for multiple software tools. Many AI platforms today also require a constant internet connection. You upload data, wait for processing, pay every month, and often lose creative control. For freelancers and small businesses, that becomes expensive very quickly. When I started building Aram Motion AI, my goal was simple. I wanted a system that could help transform ideas into motion graphics, videos with minimal effort. I wanted speed, I wanted simplicity, and I wanted creators to own their tools instead of renting them forever. The result was Aram Motion AI, a system designed around a simple principle: turn your ideas type your ideas, generate your video, keep creating. Now, how it works. Imagine typing, create a luxury real estate advertisement, or create a motivational business presentation, or create a cinematic product launch animation. The system interprets the request and automatically builds the visual structure. It organizes the scenes, creates motion sequences, generates transitions, builds visual storytelling, and outputs a professional motion graphic video. Instead of spending hours designing every element manually, creators can focus on ideas. The AI handles much of the production workflow. Now, why the offline part matters. One of my favorite features is that the system works without internet. Why is that important? Well, privacy, speed, control. Your work stays on your machine. You are not waiting for cloud servers. You are not dependent on an online service being available, and creators can continue working from anywhere. That level of independence is becoming more important every year. Another major difference is pricing. Most creative tools charge monthly subscriptions, month after month, year after year. My vision is different. One payment, use the system, keep creating. No recurring subscriptions. Do I have to pay subscription? Of course not. No surprise charges, just access to the tool. We are entering a new era where AI becomes a creative partner. The future isn't about replacing creativity, it's about removing technical barriers. The faster creators can transform ideas into content, the more innovation we will see. That future is exactly what inspired our Motion AI. Now, Where you can access it, the link is in bio. If you are interested in AI motion graphics, designs, content creation, or the future of creative technology, subscribe to the channel and comment down below what kind of video you would generate using a single prompt. And if you want to see Aram Motion AI in action, stay tuned. Stay tuned because I'll be sharing demonstrations, workflows, and real world examples very soon. And now you can access it. The link is in bio. Thank you for watching and make sure to hit that button of subscribe. See you in the next one.